Carey Surname Meaning in History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English surname derived from the manor of Carey in Lisieux in Normandy, France. It can also be an English surname derived from the river Carey in Devonshire and Somerset, derived from the Celtic word car or caer, meaning love or liking, and Adam de Carey held Castle Cary in Somerset. Can also be an English surname variant of Carew, a name found in Cornwall and Wales, derived from the word caer, meaning fort, and rhiw, meaning hill. And lastly, it can be an Irish surname that was an anglicized form of different ancient Gaelic names derived from the Gaelic word ciar or caer, meaning dark or bright. They were lords of Cairbre, the present barony of Carbury in County Kildare. Early bearers included Roger de Carey in Somerset, England, documented in the year 1273, and John de Carey, also documented in Somerset in the year 1327. Noble titles held included Baron Hunsdon, a title created in the Peerage of England in 1559, for the soldier Henry Carey, who was son of William Carey and Mary Boleyn. Earl of Dover was a title created in the Peerage of England in 1628 for Henry Carey. The fourth Baron Hunsdon, a member of Parliament, who had already been created Viscount Rochford in 1621. Earl of Monmouth was a title that was created in the Peerage of England in 1626 for English courtier Robert Carey, who had already been created Baron Carey of Leppington in 1622. Viscount Falkland was a title created in the Peerage of Scotland in 1620 for Sir Henry Carey, a landowner and politician who sat in the House of Commons and later served as Lord Deputy of Ireland. Landed gentry included Carey of Torre Abbey in County Devonshire, England, represented in the 19th century by Robert Shedden Sulyard Carey, Esquire, seen here, a descendant of Henry George Carey, born 1800. Carey of Fallaton in Devonshire, represented in the 19th century by Stanley Edward George Carey, Esquire, a justice of the peace for said county. And Carey of Rosal in Guernsey, rather poor quality picture of the family estate. And in the 19th century, they were represented by Albert Carey Esquire. He was a colonel of the Royal Militia. And here we see one of his ancestors, Major General George Jackson Carey, born 1822. Notables included William Carey, born 1495, a favorite of King Henry VIII of England. He served the king in the Privy Chamber and was esquire to the body of the king. Peter Carey, a lieutenant governor of Guernsey, parliamentarian ruler during the English Civil War. William Carey, born 1761, an English Christian missionary in India, founded the Serampore College and University, the first degree-awarding university in India. William Carey, born 1769, was an English churchman and headmaster, Bishop of Exeter and St. Asaph. Sir George Carey, born on the year 1541 of Cockington in the parish of Torre in Devon, Justice of the Peace, Deputy Lieutenant, and briefly Lord Deputy of Ireland. Henry Carey, born on the year 1687, an English poet, dramatist, and songwriter. Matthew Carey, born 1760, was an Irish-born American publisher and economist who lived and worked in Philadelphia. Early settlers included John Carey, who came to Massachusetts in 1609. Sarah came to Massachusetts in 1623. James in 1639 and John in 1634. Richard Carey arrived in Virginia in 1635. Nicholas came to Massachusetts in 1637. Miles Carey arrived in Virginia in 1645. And Francis Carey arrived in Maryland in the year 1647. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research service. Link in the description. Thank you very much.